Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add welcomer bot in your Discord server. So make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. And let's jump right into it. Alright, so here I have my Discord open. Now the first thing you need to do, you're going to go to any of your browser. And over there you're going to search for welcomer.gg and it will get you over on welcomer bot website. Now just click on invite welcomer. Then you're going to simply select your server, click continue, and then click on authorize. And then just check the CAPTCHA. And here you go. You can see the welcomer bot is added. And now if I move back to my Discord, you can see here we have a new member welcomer. Now all you need to do here, you just create a text channel. You just create a new channel and name this channel whatever you want. So right now I'm gonna name it as welcome, and you can see our channel has been created. Now just move back to welcomer.gg. In here, first of all, log in with your Discord account, and you can see we have logged in. And in here you will find all of your servers that are on your Discord right now. But for now, I have only one server. And I'm gonna select this server. And here you will find all of these things like how many text channels you have in your server, how many users count, and everything like that. Alright, so you're gonna move to welcomer in the left menu and click on general. So we need to do some settings in here. So first of all, you're gonna name your channel. You're gonna type in your channel's name, and once you type, it will show you this suggestion. You can just paste it from here, and after that, show badges. You're gonna turn on show. You're gonna turn on show badges, and then you're gonna enable text messages. You're gonna enable DMs. In here, we have a custom embedded code. You can also write a paragraph in here. Anyway, so after that, save the changes. And you have done. Now, if you type here, /welcomer test. And here you can see we have the welcomer bot. This is how you can add a welcomer bot on your Discord. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.